Hello everyone, it's 28th November. Let's quickly look at the headlines from the Hindu newspaper. In the first page, we have IMF gives C grade for India's national account statistics. Again, very important. Then we have a Supreme Court asks government to regulate user content on internet. Again, very important for science and tech perspective. Then we have this image. Vehicles moving along the banks of Dal Lake in Srinagar on Thursday. The region is in the grip of severe cold wave with temperatures plunging well below the freezing point and mornings marked by icy winds and frost-covered landscapes. Again, very important. Then we have 6 new stations coming up for air pollution tracking in Sirsa, again very important for environment perspective. Then we have communal tag on Assam violence unwarranted, again very important for security perspective. Then we have Rajasthan government taking steps to bring access Yamuna waters during monsoon, says minister, again very important for environment perspective. Going forward, we have pushing the panic button in West Bengal, again very important for internal security perspective. Then we have in mangrove country, again very important for environment perspective. Moving forward, we have why India struggles to clear its air, again very important for environment perspective. Then we have why are Srinagar's traditional livelihoods struggling to survive, again very important news. Moving forward, we have bill to ban polygamy cleared in Assam, UCC next, says CM, again very important for quality and governance perspective. Then we have in Operation Sindoor showed military resolve, says President, again very important for defense perspective. Then we have India and Indonesia make progress on BrahMos deal at defense ministers dialogue, again very important for defense perspective. Then we have Center rejects IMF's notion that 50% tariffs will be indefinite, again very important for economic perspective. Then we have Nifty hits all-time high of 26,310 but closes 300 points lower, again very important for economic perspective. Then we have government announcing scheme to promote research in textiles, again very important for quality and governance perspective. Moving forward, we have the world page where we have Japan will pay a painful price of its steps out of line over Taiwan, says China, again very important. Then we have Myanmar's election will be a sham, says a rebel leader. Then we have Indian citizen top non-EU migration to and from the UK, says Statistics Office. All these news are very important for international relations perspective. And that is it for today. I will see you in another video. Until then, bye-bye. Take care.